Hey everybody, and welcome back to Wired Wednesday. Today we are going to be looking at 3 new keyboard shortcuts, continuing off from last week. So today we are going to be learning Command T, Command Tab, and Command tilde. It's the day of the Command T's. And first we're going to be taking a look at Command T. So when I'm on my browser window, so this can be Safari or Chrome or whatever browser you're using, when I hold down the Command button and I press T, a new tab is going to open up. This is really useful for efficiency because every time I think I need to search something, let's just say that I need to look up Gmail, there it is. It's going to load my Gmail in a brand new tab. Okay, I'm going to exit out of this tab and do that again. Command T, and this time maybe I want to look up sd35.bc.ca, and it's brought me to the district website. Yay! Now I can open as many tabs as I want. I can keep on opening tabs up at the top of my browser, and I can have a few different tabs running at a time. I'm going to exit out of that. So really quick and easy, Command T is how you open a brand new tab. The next one I'm going to show you right now is Command Tab. Now, don't mess up Tab on your keyboard with tabs up here on the browser. Command Tab is a way for me to go through all of the different applications I have open on my computer. Now what I mean by this is if I want to switch applications, so you'll see I have 5 applications open right now: Camtasia, Finder, Messages, and Calendar. So I'm in Chrome right now, and I know this because Chrome's at the top left corner beside my little apple. But if I hold down the Command button and press Tab, it will allow me to switch to my Finder window that I have open, to my Calendar, or back to Chrome as the front window. Now I have to hold down the Command key and then press Tab as many times as I need to go select that application. So this is only when you have multiple applications open and you're switching from application to application instead of going through the tedious task of minimizing every single window to get to the one you need. If the windows are minimized, so I have minimized these Chrome windows, be aware that they will not tab through. So for example, my messages are closed right now. If I go tab messages, it's going to have messages up here, but the window is actually minimized, so it won't come up. You need to have the window up in order for it to be Command tabbed to, if that makes sense. The next one that we're going to do is Command tilde. Now tilde is that little squiggly accent that you usually see in Spanish languages or that type of language. So what we're going to do is we are going to use this especially when we're writing an email. So a lot of you go through this problem when you click on a new email, you'll see it opens in a new window. This is a window that I can move around, I can manipulate wherever I want. Now I'm going to just write a mock email. So here is the letter. And then I'm going to make a hyperlink. So in order to make the hyperlink, remember from last time we have to copy a link in here. So I'm going to have to go to my other Chrome window. Now this is kind of a pain in the butt because if I click on that Chrome window, actually I have to cancel out of this first, sorry. If I click on that Chrome window from my message box goes away. And really the only way to get back to it is to minimize my screen. But that's not the case. So I'm actually going to copy my document here. And if I press Command tilde, and tilde is right beside your 1 key, it's going to bring me back to the window. So again, you're holding down the Command key, pressing tilde, and it's going to push your window back and forth and back and forth. And each time I click it, it'll come back and forth. So now I can add my hyperlink happily. Remember Command V was that one. And I press OK. So we have reviewed Command T for adding a new tab in your internet browser, Command Tab, which allows you to switch between applications on your Mac, and Command tilde, which allows you to manipulate between windows on the same application. So you'll notice that I'm still in Chrome as I use Command tilde. That's all for this Wired Wednesday, and we'll see you next week.